Now, the United States has caused an estimated $10 trillion of global climate damage in the course of the past 3 decades, according to a new research that's been published in the scientific journal Nature. The United States has done more harm than any other country with its planet heating emissions, even more than China. The paper has stated that the United States happens to be the biggest carbon emitter in history and has inflicted some serious economic repercussions on the world. Now, China, now the world's largest emitter, ranks second after the United States with $9 trillion in terms of estimated global damages. The study further said that while a quarter of the financial damage occurred within the US, poorer countries have also borne part of the economic burden, according to the study. The US emissions alone have caused about $500 billion of damages in India and $330 billion damages in Brazil. The latest study relates climate harm amounting in dollars to loss and damage, reflecting the deterioration caused by rising global temperatures owing to continued usage of fossil fuels. Now, the countries of the global south have often blamed the developed west for emitting most greenhouse gases since industrial revolution. Now, poor countries have often asked them for financial reparations to recover loss from intensifying natural disasters due to the rising temperatures. Now, thousands of scientific studies have looked at climate change and also its effect on human health in the past 5 years, which suggests that climate change is increasingly dangerous for people. A similar paper published in the prestigious Journal of the American Medical Association had studied the trend of heat-related deaths in the United States that had revealed that yearly heat-related death count more than doubled in the past quarter century. The data further showed that between 1999 and 2023, heat-related fatalities had risen from 1,069 to a record high of 2,325 in 2023. A 2021 study in Nature Climate Change had looked at 732 locations in 43 nations, including 210 in the United States, and had found more than a third of the heat deaths are due to human-caused climate change. And this means that over 9,700 global deaths a year attributed to warming from the burning of coal, oil and natural gas. Now, contrary to scientific evidence, the Trump administration in fact revoked a finding in February that suggested climate change is a danger to public health, an idea that President Donald Trump has called a scam.